Oh my god, it's finally happening. Hi guys, namaste. My name is Ayushi Roy and welcome to my channel. Yes, I said it. So this is officially my first YouTube video. I am super duper excited. This is like totally surreal, man. Like sitting in front of the camera shooting my first ever video. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much to all the lovely viewers who are watching my video right now. It's gonna be worth it. Today I'm gonna share my go-to makeup look with you guys. This is a very simple makeup routine. I usually wear it on a regular basis. So let's get started. First I'm gonna use this Garnier Light Cream. Next I'm gonna use blush. After that, I'm gonna use eyeliner. So next I'm gonna use mascara. Next up is kajal. The last step, that is the lipstick. And that's the final look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I am gonna be super back with more such exciting stuff, but do let me know in the comment section what else you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you are updated. Do like, share and stay home. Take care. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.